Alright guys, we're back with another video. This time we're doing IRL. Not really. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get how to get custom skin packs and skins. This is custom skin, by the way. You got classic skins. You got these guys right here. This is for console Xbox. This is for Xbox, obviously. So if you don't have Xbox, then get it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to get all of these awesome skin packs, and let's get started. All right, guys. So what you want to do is get My Files Explorer, and you want to download it. It costs $2.60, I'm pretty sure. But if you get a free trial, you can have it for a little bit, but then it'll go away and you won't be able to, get all those stuff. So if you do free trial, I recommend that you do that really fast, as much as you can. But yeah, I already bought it, so we're gonna launch the app. Here we go, Files for Explorer. And the thing is, you actually don't even need it. All you gotta do is just open expansion, and it I'm pretty sure it downloads the expansion for Explorer's thingy whenever you do that. But so this is kind of the app that you need to download all this stuff and all that. So let's go to Microsoft Edge, if I can find the whole name. Alright guys, so what you want to do is search up MC Pedal on Microsoft Edge, or honestly it really works on whatever, if it's on Minecraft Bedrock, but this is probably the best Minecraft Bedrock PE, with mods, maps, and all that stuff, which I will be showing you guys how to get mods and maps. I'm just gonna show you skins for now. We'll do separate videos on it, and I'll put in a playlist for you guys, but let's do it. Gotta find a skin pack. We'll just get a random one. I haven't done this in a while, so give me a sec, guys. Let's see, what do we want? We'll get it. Yeah, if I'm doing this for a tutorial, I want to benefit myself a little bit. Come on, guys. Give me a sec now. Actually, no, we'll just do a random one. We'll do part 12 unknown skin pack. What I'm gonna do is just go over here and press download. There we go. Then this is loot desk. This is just oh yeah, this is pretty hard to bypass, I'm not gonna lie. I heard it was pretty hard to bypass. Shoot, hold on. Hold on, everybody. Sorry about that, guys. So, but it works now, pretty sure. Apparently that thingy does work. I don't know why people say it was hard to bypass it. It was actually fairly easy. But yeah, what you want to do here, you don't want to press download yet, guys. You don't want to press download yet because it doesn't work. Trust me, I've tried so many times and I hate it. But anywho, we go to copy. I gotta copy this link, and then you just want to close this app. Expansion for Explorers. You want to go to download from URL. And you want to go to the top, press A and then the 3 lines, and then it should say paste. Then you go right here, press that, and then voila, you can download it. Download, boom. And then what you want to do, yeah, I've already installed many. I got a little carried away, guys. But what you want to do, you want to press copy file, and then you want to go to packages. Then you want to go to Microsoft.Minecraft. Sometimes this folder doesn't exist. What you want to do if this doesn't exist is make a whole entire new one with the exact same thingy so it works. So if you want it to if you don't have the folder, what you want to do is make sure that you make a new folder, and it has all of this section right here, all of that, Microsoft.Minecraft, UP, whatever console. You want to name that folder, and then you want to make another folder inside that folder, name it local state, then go inside local state, make another folder and make another folder called games, and then inside games you want to make another folder, and this is the last one. It's well, not the last one, but com.mojang, and then you want to go inside that folder and make all of these folders exactly right here. It has to be exactly the same, or I'm pretty sure it does not work. There you go. So since we're doing skin packs, we'll go all the way to skin packs. You want to do is just paste it. And this is where we have to go over here. We gotta delete Minecraft. Before we do delete this can corrupt worlds and other thing, or it's pretty rare that it does sometimes, but it does sometimes happen that it does corrupt your world. If it does corrupt your world, I'm pretty sure what I do is just delete the mod or whatever you downloaded on there, and then it should be good to go. But yeah, let's install this. Go to browse the store. You want to press search your stuff, search up SpongeBob. I know it's pretty weird. And then this is where there's the Minecraft SpongeBob right here. You want to head down, then you want to press on, I'm pretty sure it's, oh yeah, do works with all the way down to works with. This is the one that you don't like. These two that say owned or whatever, or these two, you don't want to download that. You just want to download the first one, which is the special it's like a special version that gives you mods. You want to install it, you want to view and queue, and just wait for it to load. Alright guys, it just got downloading. What you want to do is press your new Minecraft again, and then press update, and then just wait for this all over again. Alright guys, it finally got done updating. You want to just open Mojang Studios, and what it also does do, I probably should have told you this before, but it does reset your settings, and you know, it can get pretty annoying if you like to PvP or whatnot. It does get annoying to reset your settings, so I probably should have specified that earlier, but I'm sorry about that. But anywho, yeah, do syncing for data, yeah, whatever. That doesn't happen to you if it does do that, I'm pretty sure. I can cancel it though. Press cancel, press turn off screen reader, because that thing is so annoying. And then we want to go to dressing room, right? We want to go to dressing room. Sorry about that, this screen thingy. We want to go to classic skins, and then it should pop. Yep, this is it, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the Neo Unknown skin pack. This is it right here. And boom, it just gives you random, or the skins that, you were hoping for. So that's the tutorial. If you do need help, I would say contact my Discord, but it's like, my username is odd, I don't know, but if you do need help, just put your Discord in the comments. I'll try to get to you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.